All right, so here's the grand unveiling of the old-fashioned white bread cinnamon and sugar, ready to go in the oven. Basically, this cookbook, one of the very first ones Diana had when we were married. I don't know how old this is. She would remember, I don't. But anyway, here it is, ready to go in the oven. And half an hour from now, we should see how it comes out. Let's get this guy in there. Oh, difficult to do this with one hand and holding a camera. Slide him in there, and away we go. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what this puppy looks like. Oh, I think it's done. Let's slide that out here. Let's give it the tap test. Oh yeah, we're done. We're gonna let that cool off a bit and slice into it. Alrighty, let's slice into this and see what we got. Not bad. So the shape, I gotta get better at how to do the loaf, because you got swirls here, and then down here is where I folded it underneath. But I wasn't too worried about that at this point. I just wanted it to come out nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice.